Howdy, partner. So you want to learn how to upgrade your old bathroom exhaust fan to an LED Bluetooth model? Well, you're in luck. We're going to show you today. Today, we're going to install this Broan Nutone FG800SPK super duper Bluetooth lighted exhaust fan vent. This is part of our bathroom renovation series. We already did a video on installing an LED mirror, which we'll link at the end. And then we'll link this in the product description. I've never used this before, not sponsored by Broan or however you say it. But we're going to install this, should take just a minute. So this product is a factory upgrade for the most common system of bathroom exhaust fan. You can check yours out and see if it's got this name, BROAN. But they've cornered the market on bathroom exhaust fans. So it probably does. And there's some limitations on measurements that you can see in the link, but it's pretty standard. So it should work very easily. It should be super simple to install, and it requires no tools. They're saying 5-minute installation. I think we'll beat that. Stay tuned. I'll take you step by step, and thanks for tuning in. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, so you get all these updated videos. I appreciate the likes and comments. Thanks. The first step is going to be to lower your old exhaust fan cover. So all you do is you can just grab it and pull it straight down, and it's just going to have these little clips. And these clips are very easy. You're just going to go ahead and pinch it, and it should come right out. And then pinch it, should come right out. Make sure your power's off. If you want to, you can hit the surge protector, but make sure that you are somewhere where it's safe and there's no electricity running through here. Your next step is going to be to locate the plug. There's a plug in here, and you're just going to go ahead and pull that plug straight out. It's a 2-prong outlet. This is why it's important that power is off. So the new kit that you open up comes with 2 clamps. That one is for a 7¼ by 7½ inch opening. The other one's for, I think, an 8¼ by 8½. So you can measure that and make sure the factory installed are smaller ones, which is what we have here. So what you're going to do is you can do it either way. You can either plug it in, or you can start with the clips. We're going to start with the clips. And you can go in the back, and in that same opening that you went ahead and did that initial, you can install the clip. And it should go right up into there. It's going to be a little tight, but it'll hold it nice and snug. So we got it started there to where we're hanging. And now that we're hanging, you're going to have this outlet here. So you want to put this plug into there, and then you're going to plug this right back up where the other one was originally. Make sure everything is nice and connected. Also, if this was been up here for 30 years, you might want to go ahead and dust this off and make sure it's clean. We cleaned ours off just before the video. So now we're going to take this other side and get it fixed up there as well. Now it's hanging, it's plugged in, it's secure, and you just push it on up. That's simple. We got it installed in just that amount of time. So now we're going to go ahead and turn it on and see if the light, the fan, and the Bluetooth works. Stay tuned. All right. Well, that was super simple. And we'll go ahead and turn it on. I'm actually impressed by the amount of light coming off of this. So much so I need these sunglasses. No, it's actually really good. Very bright. Does great with the mirror fan here. When you turn it on is when you're able to connect to Bluetooth. So it just says fan speaker. And you can go ahead and connect it, which is connected now. When you turn it off, it will not connect. And then, let's see if it works. Howdy, partner. Great job on that Bluetooth exhaust fan light. Be sure to subscribe for more awesome videos. Thanks for watching. Remember, you can too. All right, I think that pretty much summed it up. Again, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And all these videos, if I can do it, you can too. Appreciate it.